If you see something that doesn't look right, speak to staff or text the British Transport Police on 61016. We'll sort it. See it, say it, sorted. Welcome to this Merseyrail service to Kirkby, calling at Moorfields, Sandhills, Kirkdale, Rice Lane, Fazakerley, and Kirkby. Rail service to Ormskirk, calling at Moorfields, Sandhills, Kirkdale, Walton, Orrell Park, Aintree, Old Roan, Maghull North, Town Green, Aughton Park, and Ormskirk. Welcome to this Merseyrail service to Hunts Cross, calling at Kirkdale, Hillside, Aintree, Freshfield, Formby, Hightown, Hall Road, Blundell Sands and Crosby, Waterloo, Seaforth and Liverpool, Bootle New Strand, Bootle Orrell Road, Bank Hall, Sandhills, Moorfields, Liverpool Central, Brunswick, St Michael's, Egbert, Cressington, Liverpool South Parkway, and Hunts Cross. To Southport, calling at Liverpool South Parkway, Cressington, Egbert, St Michael's, Brunswick, Liverpool Central, Moorfields, Sandhills, Bank Hall, Bootle Orrell Road, Bootle New Strand, Seaforth and Liverland, Waterloo, Blundell Sands and Crosby, Hall Road, Hightown, Formby, Freshfield, Ainsdale, Hillside, Birkdale, and Southport. Rail service to Ellesmere Port, calling at Moorfields, Liverpool Street, Liverpool Central, James Street, Hamilton Square, Birkenhead Central, Green Lane, Rock Ferry, Bevington, Port Sunlight, Sutton, Longborough Lake, Longborough, Eastern Neck, Hilton, Little Sutton, Liverpool, and Ellesmere Port. Rail service to West Kirby, calling at Moorfields, Liverpool Lime Street, Liverpool Central, James Street, Hamilton Square, Conway Park, Birkenhead Park, Birkenhead North, Bidston, Leasoe, Morton, Mells, Manor Road, Hoylake, and West Kirby. Merseyrail service to Chester, calling at Moorfields, Liverpool Lime Street, Liverpool Central, James Street, Hamilton Square, Birkenhead Central, Green Lane, Rock Ferry, Bevington, Port Sunlight, Spittle, Longborough Lake, Longborough, Eastern Wreck, Hooton, Capenhurst, H, and Chester. Welcome to this Merseyrail service to New Brighton, calling at Moorfields, Liverpool Lime Street, Liverpool Central, James Street, Hamilton Square, Conway Park, Birkenhead Park, Birkenhead North, Wallasey Village, Wallasey Grove Road,